To install a Tieasy 5-burner gas cooktop, remove the grates and burners from the old cooktop. Turn off the gas valve under the cooktop by moving the handle perpendicular to the gas pipe. Unplug the power cord. Disconnect the flexible gas connector by unscrewing the nut connected to the gas valve fitting. Use 2 adjustable wrenches or an adjustable wrench and pliers. Remove any clamps connecting the cooktop to the countertop, then push up on the cooktop and remove it. Clean off any deposits on the countertop. Remove the old flare fitting from the gas valve. Always install a new flexible gas connector when replacing a cooktop for safety, and match the max BTUs of the cooktop to the gas connector. Install the new flare fitting on the gas valve. Use PTFE tape rated for gas or pipe thread compound on the male threads. If you use PTFE tape rated for gas, wrap it clockwise 3 to 5 times. Fully coat the threads if you're using pipe thread compound. Tighten down the flare fitting firmly. Use 2 wrenches. Set the new cooktop on a blanket or something soft and apply PTFE tape for gas or pipe thread compound to the male thread. This cooktop comes with an elbow that needs to be connected first. Use PTFE tape rated for gas or pipe thread compound on the male threads. Screw the pressure regulator onto the male pipe on the elbow. There will be an arrow showing the direction of the gas flow. Point the arrow toward the cooktop and snug it down firmly. Use 2 wrenches. This model doesn't come with a gas regulator. Connect the other flare fitting with the male pipe thread to the pressure regulator. Use PTFE tape for gas or pipe thread compound on the male threads. Use 2 wrenches and snug it down firmly. Screw the gas connector onto the flare fitting. Don't use PTFE tape or pipe thread compound on the flare side of the fitting. It can cause a gas leak. Use 2 wrenches and don't over-tighten the nut on the connector. If your cooktop comes with a gasket, put it on the bottom edge of the cooktop. Place the cooktop into the opening on the countertop and use a tape measure to align the front or back edge. If your cooktop comes with clamps, snug them up. Don't over-tighten the clamps. You could damage the cooktop or the countertop. Plug in the cooktop. Connect the gas connector to the flare fitting on the gas valve. Don't use PTFE tape or pipe thread compound on the flare side. Use 2 wrenches and don't over-tighten the nut. Turn on the gas valve. Test all the gas connections with gas leak detector. Tighten any connections that show bubbles. Then retest if needed. Wipe down the connector and the fittings. Put on your burners, covers, and cooking grates. Then test your burners.